Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine in this conversation. Continuation of example from chapter number 1. What is the name of chapter number 1? Sets, relation and function. I am moving to example 1.4. Given question, if x is equal to one set is there 1 to 10, then a is equal to one particular term 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Find number of set b subset of x. Another one condition such that a minus b is equal to 4. A solution. So given term x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then remaining a is equal to, so a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So another one important condition is there such that a minus b is equal to 4, isn't it? So a minus b is equal to 4. So therefore, what is the meaning? Set of a 4 is possible, but set of b except 4 remaining the term. So set of a already is there. What is the meaning of set of a? Therefore a minus b is equal to, a is equal to what are the term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then center minus is there. Then, so imaginary set of the b, how to write now? Actually except 4 remaining the term will come, isn't it? Because 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. Then only we can say, so 1, 1 cancel, then 2, 2 cancel, then 3, 3 cancel, then 5, 5 also cancel. Then only we can say a minus b is equal to what is the set? Only 4 will come. Therefore, this is called b, no? So this is called b, means set of b is equal to what are the term? 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now I am moving to the question. What we have to find the number of set b subset of x, isn't it? B subset of x. So b subset of x means set of b one of the part in the x. So set of b one of the part in the x. Therefore, remaining the term, what are the term is possible after 5? So after the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there, isn't it? So 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Therefore, subset of the x means number of set formula 2 power n, isn't it? So 2 power n, how many set is possible? So but each and every set 1, 2, 3, 5 common term, 1, 2, 3, 5 common, then particularly we can arrange how many set is possible. If it example first set 1, 2, 3 and 5 means consider for 6 one of the set, isn't it? Then second set, this is 6, second set 1, 2, 3, 5. After 6 we are taken the 7 of the term. So single means definitely 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 common, 1, 2, 3, 5 common each and every set, include first 6 will come, then 7 will come, then 8, then 9, then 10, separate each and every separate number. But what I am saying, each and every set 1, 2, 3, 5 common, because b one of the subset in the x term. So definitely we can say number of set, what the formula? Number of set is equal to formula 2 power n. Therefore n is equal to, definitely we can say separate of the different of the set from this one is set 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 only. So b one of the part, each and every set b is one of the part. Remaining separate of the term 6 will come, then 7 will come, then 8, 9, 10. Once again after getting single digit also another one set 1, 2, 3, not 4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 5. Then we can say no 6 and 7, 2 digits. So 6, 7, then 7, 8, then 8, 9, then 9, 10, again 6, 7, 8, 3 digit, then 6, 7, 9, then 6, 7, 10, as well as 7, 8, 9. So how many times possible? Definitely we can say 2 power 5 means 32 times possible. You can check it in your own idea. 1, 2, 3, 5 common set, then each and every first single digit, then double digit, then triple digit, then 4 digit, then 5 digit. Definitely how many set is possible? 32 set. Therefore number of set is equal to answer 32. Okay, I will continue the next problem. Example 1.5 question. A and B are true set. Show that number of B minus C, one condition is a true number of A minus B is equal to 4 number of A intersection B. And if another one condition is a number of A union B is equal to 14. What we need to find out? Find, this is simple actually, subset, okay? Number of subset of A we have to find out, okay? So this is one of the important two formula. Two formula means already I applied in the properties of set operation. Number of A union B means what is the formula? Number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. But here I have taken A minus B. Why? The given condition also B minus A or A minus B. That's why just I interchange, okay? The given condition, solution, the given term, number of B minus A is equal to true number of A minus B is equal to 4 number of A intersection B. So let number of A intersection B is equal to, consider for K. What will happen? Number of B minus A is equal to true number of A minus B is equal to number of A intersection B, consider for K. Therefore, we can write it 4K. Just equating second and third, what will happen? True number of A minus B is equal to 4K means this true and for how many times? 2 times. Therefore, number of A minus B is equal to true K. Another one, first and last equating means number of B minus A is equal to 4K. So another one condition, and if number of A union B is equal to 14. Number of A union B is equal to 14. A union B, what is the formula? Number of A minus B, number of A minus B plus number of B minus A, again plus number of A intersection B. This is whole term will be equal to 14, isn't it? Therefore, number of A minus B, what they have already we found, number of A minus B 2K plus number of B minus A 4K, then plus number of A intersection B already we have taken, consider for K is equal to 14 means 2K plus 4K 6K, 6K plus K means 7K is equal to 14. Therefore, K is equal to 14 by 7. Now we can say no, K is equal to true. Then we need to find out number of subset into A. First we need to find out number of A. So number of A, what the formula? Number of A minus B plus number of A intersection B. Already we know number of A minus B, true K. Then number of A intersection B, K. 2K plus 3K mean, 2K plus K means 3K. Instead of K we can apply true. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, final answer, number of subset of A. Formula 2 power n. Therefore, we can write it 2 power 6. Answer will be 64. Okay. This is our final answer. Okay. I will continue the next problem. 1.6. True set have M and K elements. If the total number of subset of the first set is 112 more than that of the second set, that is a condition, then find the value of M and K. So solution, let consider for the true set, let consider for the set A and B. So A and B means set of the consider A and B means first set equating for M, second set it's equating for K. Therefore, number of A, isn't it? So number of A consider for M means number of B consider for K. Then number of subset means what is the meaning? 2 power n formula, isn't it? If you are getting number of subset into A means what is meaning? Number of subset of A 2 power m. So first set. second set as well as number of. So now number of subset of A is equal to 2 power m, then number of subset of B, sorry my dear, this is B is equal to 2 power k. Now I am moving to the condition. What is the condition? If the total number of subset of the first set, what is the first set? 2 power m. So 2 power m is equal to 112 is more than. 112 is more than means we can write it 2 power k plus 112. Now 2 power k bring on opposite side. 2 power m minus 2 power k is equal to 112. Again 2 power k common outside means what will happen? 2 power m divided by 2 power k minus 2 power k divided by 2 power k is equal to 112. Now, so 2 power k as it is, then inside law of indices a power m divided by a to the power n means we can write a to the power m minus n. Therefore, we can write it 2 power m minus k, then 2 power k cancel means minus 1 is equal to 112. How to rearrange 112? So 112 2 times means 56, isn't it? Again 2 times means 28. Again 2 times means 14. Again 2 times means 7. Therefore, 2 power k, 2 power m minus k minus 1 is equal to 112. We can write it 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 2 power 4 into 7, isn't it? So 2 power 4 into 7. Now we are getting first 2 power k and 2 power 4. 2 power k is equal to 2 power 4 means we can write no k is equal to 4. First answer. Then second term 2 power m minus k minus 1 is equal to 7 means 2 power m minus k is equal to minus 1 bring out opposite side means sorry my dear positive 1. Therefore, 2 power m minus k is equal to 8. Already we found k is equal to what the value 4. So 2 power m minus 4 is equal to we can write no 8 means 2 power 3. Therefore, m minus 4 is equal to 3 means m is equal to 4 plus 3. Therefore, m is equal to 7. So according to the question, find the value of m and k means m is equal to 7 and k is equal to 4. Okay, I will continue the next question. Moving to example 1.7, if number of A is equal to 10 and the number of A intersection B is equal to 3. So given solution, number of A is equal to 10, then number of A intersection B is equal to 3. Now find number of A intersection B dash, again intersection of A. Already we learned De Morgan's law, A dash B the whole dash is equal to what is the meaning? A dash intersection means union of B dash. Therefore, inside intersection is there, we can write it number of A dash intersection means union of B dash, then intersection of A. This is the way, okay? So I will write it here. This term will be equal to number of A dash union of B dash, then intersection of A. Again, according to the distributive law, so number of A dash intersection of A center union of B dash intersection of A. Again, number of A dash intersection of A means null set union of B dash intersection of A. Comparing the set with any one null set means the same one, isn't it? Therefore, we can write it B dash intersection of A. Now, number of B dash intersection or A intersection B. B dash intersection A, we can write it A dash A intersection B dash. Therefore, this is the way it will be equal to number of A minus B. So number of A minus B formula, number of A minus number of A intersection B. Number of A is equal to given value. What the value? 10 minus number of A intersection B is equal to 3. Therefore, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. I will continue the next problem. So 1.8 question, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to find out number of A union B into A intersection B into A symmetric B or A difference B. So now first solution, given condition A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. First we have to find out A union B. So A union B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 5 and 6. Therefore, number of A union B is equal to 6. Number of the term 6 is there. Next one, A intersection B. So A intersection B is equal to common term 3 and 4, isn't it? So 3 comma 4. Therefore, number of A intersection B is equal to 2 term. Last one, A symmetric, isn't it? So A symmetric B formula, A minus B union of B minus A. First we need to find out A minus B. So A minus B means A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, minus of B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Definitely 3 and 4 cancel means in A what are the term balance? 1, 2. Therefore A minus B is equal to 1 and 2. Next condition, B minus A. Similarly B minus A, look at there. So okay, B 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 cancel, 3 and 4 cancel. 5 and 6 will come, isn't it? So 5 comma 6. Therefore A symmetric B is equal to A minus B. A minus B, what the answer? 1 comma 2. Then union of 5 comma 6. Therefore we can write now 1, 2, 5 and 6. Therefore number of A symmetric B is equal to 4, isn't it? We need to find out what the value. What's the value? Number of A union B into A intersection B into A symmetric B. Each and every time into me number means number of A union B into number of A intersection B into number of A symmetric B. Number of A union B, what the answer? Number of A union B is 6. The number of A intersection B 2. Number of A symmetric B 4. Therefore 6 into 2 12. 12 fours are 48. Okay, I will continue the next question. So 1.9. So number of subset A denotes power set of A. Then you have to find out one of the important solution of the term power set of subset of against subset of how many times actually? The number of subset of against subset of against subset of null set. You need to find out, isn't it? Before moving to this question, for your understanding, so A is equal to only one, the set also only one number is there, okay? Only one number. Therefore, how to rearrange subset from this set? First we can write it empty set, then we can write it only one. Therefore, how many times is possible? 2 set is possible. Therefore, number of A is equal to, how many set is there actually in set of how many number is there? Only one number. Therefore, number of A is equal to value will be 1. Therefore, subset of A is equal to 2 power 1, value will be true. Instead of 1, A is equal to only empty set is there, okay, there is no number. Therefore, number of subset with A means definitely set will be 2 power n is equal to, there is no term, therefore 2 power 0 only. Anything power 0, value will be 1. If you know this true difference, it will be easy to apply this question. Listen. First one, let A is equal to, there is no, consider for there is no, because the power set of A, there is nothing to number. So A is equal to empty set means, now number of A is equal to value will be 0, no, there is no term. Therefore, first one, subset of A is equal to 2 power 0 is equal to value will be 1. Set of A consider for, this A is considered for null set. Therefore, the same power set of empty set is, subset of empty set is equal to value will be 1. We need to apply how many subset? 1, 2, 3. This is first term, number of first one. Again, number of one more subset of means the formula 2 power 1, value will be true. One more time, number of subset of, again subset of null set. Outside 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is equal to 2 power 2, value will be 4. If you know this two step, it will be very easy to apply. Okay, I will continue the exercise question. Okay, be stay on the line. Exercise 1.1, question number 1. Given 4 subdivision, one by one we can discuss. Question number 1. So, question number 1, consider for A means the term x belongs to natural number. Condition also such that x square less than 121. One of the important condition is that x is a prime number. What is the meaning of prime number? A number divided by 1 and number itself. If it example, take it 1 means only 1 is there. That's why we are not saying this is not a, that's why we are saying it's not a prime number. If you take 2 means what will happen? Definitely true by 1 and true by 2 also. That's why the smallest prime number starting with true. Then if we consider for 3 means what will happen? So 3 divided by 3 also possible, 3 divided by 1 also possible. But 4, definitely we can say 4 it's not a prime number. Why? So 4 divided by 1, then 4 divided by 2 is there. So 4 divided by 4 also is there. The condition, a number divided by 1 and number itself. That's why 4 by 2 also one more number. That's why we are saying 4 it's not a prime number. Okay. Moving to the question. So A is equal to, x square. The prime number means starting with the smallest prime number 2, isn't it? The smallest prime number 2 means definitely 2 square means what the answer will come? 4 is there, no? So we can write, no, the first answer will be 4 because 4 less than 121, no? The next prime number 3 is there, isn't it? So 3 square means value will be 9. The next one, 4 it's not a prime number. 5 means 25. Then 6 it's not a prime number. 7 it's a prime number. Therefore 7 square means 49. 8 is not a prime number. 9 also not a prime number. 10 also not prime number. But 11, 121 will come. But condition less than 121, not less than or equal to. If it less than or equal to means we can consider 121 also. But there is only less than. Therefore the first term answer 4, 9, 25 and 49. I am moving to subdivision true. Okay. So subdivision true. Subdivision true question. The set of all positive roots given condition x minus 1 and x plus 1. Another one condition x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So already we know the first two term as it is x minus 1 and x plus 1. Second term a square minus b square form now. A plus b into a minus b. Again consider means x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Each and every time separate serum means definitely answer will be 1 comma minus 1. Again 1 comma minus 1 will come. But condition the set of all positive roots only. So all positive roots means the only one is there, no positive roots. Therefore answer will be a set of only 1. Okay. I am moving to subdivision third. So set of subdivision third. X consider for A means it will be easy. So A is equal to x belongs to natural number such that condition 4x plus 9 less than 52. So less than 52 means definitely what are the set is possible? 4x plus 9 is there. So consider for 4 into 1. 4 into 1 plus 9 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Possible because less than 52 now. Next term 4 into 2 plus 9 is equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. This is also possible. Next term 4 3 plus 9. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. So see each and every term increasing with the 4, isn't it? Difference will be 4 now. So 13 possible, 17, 21. Next 25 also will come. What the term will come? So here we have to write the set of the term. Okay, 1 possible, 2 possible, 3 possible. Then 4 also we know 25 will come. Therefore 4 also we can write it. 5 means 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 9 is equal to 29. Then 6 means 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 9 is equal to 33. So 7 means 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 9 is equal to 37. Then 8 means 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 9 is equal to 41. Then 9 means 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. Then 10 4s are 40. 40 plus 9 is equal to 49. So 10 will come. But next one, check it very carefully. 11. 4 11s are 44. 44 plus 9 is equal to 53. But there is less than 52. Okay. Therefore, we have the answer for subdivision third 1 to 10. Okay. I am moving to subdivision 4. So subdivision 4. Again consider for set of A means x such that x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 3. So one of the main term, x belongs to real number but except minus 2. Okay, answer except minus 2. You can check it. Therefore, what the term will be possible? This is equal to 3, sir. Therefore, x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 3 means, so x minus 4 is equal to 3 into x plus 2. Therefore, x minus 4 is equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 2 3s are 6. Therefore, plus 3x bring at opposite side means minus 3x. Minus 4 bring at opposite side means positive 4. X minus 3x minus 2x is equal to 10 means x is equal to 10 by minus 2. So 10 and minus 2 cancel means minus 5. Therefore, we can say no. A is equal to value minus 5 because the condition real number except minus 2. So suppose if you have the answer minus 2 means we can write it empty set. But there is minus 5. So we can write it answer for minus 5. Okay. So please listen my dear students. I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next session. Bye bye.